Alright, I just want to do a quick video here about my system, as you could call it, for emptying a vintage Kirby shakeout bag, and also this is a Hoover brush pack, emptying the dirt cup, or this can go for anything that has a shakeout bag, a bagless machine, something, basically something that doesn't take a disposable bag. So this is what I do. I pick a day where I get ready to empty the bag or dust cup or whatever. My shop vac here, it's always ready to go. It's always plugged in. So what I do is, I'll just shake that out. I can turn it on and, let the bag expand. It's kind of hard to do all this with just one hand. So I'll just scrape it here. Just gonna shake it out there. This actually does go faster when you have both hands. But anyway, you'll get the general idea. So after I shake the bag out really good, open the latch. There's the dirt. Turn the machine on. And I mean, that's it. That's all you have to do. Then as far as this, take the dirt cup out. Again, it's easier if you got two hands. So there's the filter there. Any loose debris that's in there, which nothing today. Mainly just a little dust. Turn the shop vac on again. Then just put it back together. I'm going to clean it some more off camera, but you get the general idea. It actually does go a lot faster than when I'm filming here. It's really convenient. It's not as complicated as all that. So yeah, all I do is close that back up, take it back inside, put the dust cup back on that and the filter and everything, take it back inside. Goes pretty quick, no bags to buy, just as long as you keep the machine emptied, whether it's an old machine or new machine, you'll do okay. Okay, thanks for watching.